Your connection is not private is one of the most common and frustrating errors Chrome users face. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix this issue step by step. Let's get started. First step. Sometimes a simple reload page may solve your issue. Just click on reload page. If not fixed, go for next step. Update date and time. Go to start menu, click on settings. In settings, click on time and language. Click on date and time tab. Disable and enable again. Set time automatically. Automatic time synchronization issue may cause this type of problem. Close settings. Now the next step, clear all browsing data, cache and cookie. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Click on settings. In left pane, click on privacy and security. Scroll down and here you will find delete browsing data. Click on it and select all time and then select all options here and then click on delete data. Next step, check for faulty extensions. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner and click on new incognito window. In new incognito window, click on three dot icon again and then go to extensions and click on manage extensions. Here, examine all extensions and find faulty extensions and disable or turn off all faulty and unnecessary extensions. Now close extensions tab. Now next step, update your Chrome browser. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Then go to settings. In left menu pane, scroll down and you will find the last option about Chrome. Click on about Chrome and Chrome update will start automatically. It may take little more time. Update finished. Now you need to relaunch Google Chrome browser. Click on relaunch and Google Chrome browser will automatically restart. Google Chrome is up to date right now. Close Google Chrome browser. Now next step, clear DNS resolver cache. Go to search. In search type CMD. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. In command prompt, type ipconfig /flush DNS. Now hit enter. Successfully flushed DNS resolver cache. Now close command prompt. Next step. Use Cloudflare or Google DNS address in Ethernet adapter. Click on start menu. Then click on settings. Here click on network and internet. In left menu pane, click on Ethernet and then click on change adapter settings. Double click on your Ethernet adapter. Click on properties. Scroll down and select internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties and here you will find obtain DNS server address automatically is selected by default. Now select use the following DNS server address and in preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 the Google DNS server IP and as alternative DNS server you can use Cloudflare DNS server IP 1.1.1.1. Now click on OK and then click on close and then click on close again. Close network settings and close settings. Hope all these fixes will solve your issue. If your issue is still persist, you have to go for the last fix. Go to your Google Chrome browser or upper right corner, click on three dot icon and then click on settings. On left menu pane, you will find reset settings. Click on reset settings and here you will find restore settings to their original default. Click on it and you will find a button reset settings. Click on reset settings. It will reset Chrome settings and shortcuts, disable extensions and delete all cookies and browsing data. These are the all solutions to fix your connection is not private on Google Chrome. That's it.